Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Docker on Windows 10. So it's very easy. Let us see how. At first we will download it. Go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. From here in guys type Docker. Press enter. On pressing enter the official website is visible docker.com. Click on it to open. On clicking here and go to get started for free. Now go below. Here in download and install Docker is visible. You need to click on the Windows version, download Docker desktop for Windows and just click on it to download. The download started. As you can see here, it's 513 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, the Docker desktop downloaded the exe file. Now we will double click to install. Let's minimize this. So guys, the Docker desktop started downloading. It is downloading the package. So guys, the configuration is visible. It will install the required Windows components and will also add a shortcut to desktop. Everything looks fine. Click on OK. Now it is unpacking files and installing. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, as you can see here, we have successfully downloaded Docker Desktop 3.2.2 version. And now you need to restart your Windows so that the installation completes. So we will just click on close and restart. So guys, we have restarted our Windows 10 system. Now you can see the desktop shortcut. Double click on it to start. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Docker Desktop. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.